I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me what you...
What's good, love? So I am back with a new video. Child, it has been so long since I came out with a little song. I came back to give you the details on this hair. Okay, so ladies or gentlemen, if you are interested in what kind of unit I got on my head right about now, let's go ahead and get into the detail. This wig is giving LUVME. This is a very sophisticated type of hairstyle, which I love. It's given very mature, grown woman-ish. And that's that energy that we are on all 2022. Grown women-ish, or just grown shit, period. So let's go ahead and get into the details. Today I will be reviewing a wig from LUVME Hair, a Ford luxury wig. Child, let's go ahead and get into the packaging and the detailing of the box. First of all, purple is my favorite color, so when I saw this box, child, I already knew this wig was gonna be hella dope. But in the inside, of course, it came with the unit instructions. It also comes with a bag with all of your goodies, a rat tooth comb, an edge brush. So it comes with wig caps, an edge brush. Ooh. Comes with this cute, adorable bag, period. You got your instructions, your return policies, all that up in here. Child, they really doing it. They even got like an extra band just in case if this one happens to get worn and torn down in your wig unit, you can definitely resew one on. So that's really cool. They also put some tweezers up in here. How fancy is that? And child, look, so pretty. It's a LUVME hair clip. So beautiful. I absolutely love it. Comes with a couple of bobby pins in the packaging, so they really making sure you got everything you need to install this wig. So it is no excuses, baby. They got everything up in here for you. And this also looks like a band that you can also wrap your edges down, tie your edges down with. How cute is that? And I love the fact that it is silk material. The packaging was super dope, and it definitely did not take no time for this wig to come in. I would say this wig came to me within like 3 to 4 days after request to purchase. So fast shipping. I love that. Depending on, I guess, maybe what location you're in, it may take about 3 to 5 business days, but for me it took about 3 to 4 days for me. It really did not take too long for it to come and arrive. When I very first put the wig on, you do have to style this wig. It don't come like this. You do have to put a little hard work into it. I ended up washing this wig. Now you don't have to wash it, but I ended up washing it, co-washing it. Took one of my flat irons or my curling iron, put it on my mannequin head and just bumped the ends really good, curled it. Then I put it on my head, glued it down, and there you go. Here we got. I definitely love the baby hairs on this wig. The lace is so natural, like it's just giving scalp. It's just giving wet lace. I am definitely feeling the parting space. You can part this anywhere. You can part it on this side or the other side, but I feel like it just looks better as a left side. And usually I don't do a left side. I usually part my hair on the right side, but I felt like the bob just lost its symmetrical look about time when I put it, you know, on this side, on the right side. So I was like, well, I'll just keep it on the left side instead. She is giving, and it really did not take too much. I put a little bit of my Got To Be glue spray on the edges, and that's about it. Probably a little gel to brush it down. It's not really too much that, you know, that you can't handle. This is the side, and this is the back. It's full. It's the other side. So yeah, like she's a real like sophisticated looking wig. I absolutely love her. She's giving grown-ish, woman-ish type of vibes. A hairstyle that you can wear in the office, you know, in the building. Something just out the way. you know, because we all don't want to do long hair at times. I know I don't, not all the time. Sometimes I do want to, you know, do like a nice cute short look. This is giving me a Tiffany Amber Thiessen type of thing going on. Or I would say this is giving me like a Rihanna Good Girl Gone Bad type of vibe. And I definitely love this bob. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about this hair. Furthermore, it's the texture. She's really soft. You will need a wax stick with her because the flyaways are just like crazy. You can tell this is virgin hair for sure, but it's nothing but a wax stick won't help, you know. So I used a wax stick, just flat ironed it real good, bumped the end, and she's laying like this, pretty nice, really good. Let's see, shipping didn't take no time. Hair feels soft, everything in the package. I give this hair a 10 on 10. She do what she need to do. She's out the way, she's pretty, she's full. Love the color. It is like in a natural black. This hair has not been dyed or anything like that. If you feel like I should put a little color into the wig just to see how this wig would take color, just let me know in the comment section. I might put some highlights up in here, probably like a nice highlighted bob, maybe. See how that looks, a little bit of little to thick, balanced out highlights. I think that would be pretty. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I totally give this wig like a 10 out of 10. It do what it needs to do. Can't see the lace. Love the baby hairs. Hair soft, fast shipping. Have everything in the box. I mean, you really don't have to go out and get much, but just get your glue. It already comes with the edge brush. You got your bobby pins in there, another adjustable strap. You got your wig caps. I mean, they really wanted to make sure you come fully prepared as soon as you get this unit, and that is such a bonus. Shout out to LUVME Hair. This is perfect. This right here, I totally recommend this. I mean, it's not really much that I can say. I mean, I really don't have any bad reviews for this wig. Well, I must say, I do have one con about this wig, because I'm just talking all pros right now, but I do have one con about this wig. I feel like the front could be a little thicker at the end. So right here, because I like that nice blunt cut in the front, but it's cool, you know. She's totally out the way. It's full enough. It definitely has a lot of density for this to be like a short bob wig, so I'm definitely feeling that. Yeah, but let me do another 360. Okay, so y'all can see what's going on. Yeah, that's about it, you guys. Thank you so much, and until next time, I will see you dolls later. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I mean, share this with a friend, share it with your family, whoever. Until next time, I will see you dolls later. All right, love and light.